In this video, we will discuss of 2 marks, which is from Class 12 Informatics Practices Chapter 1 Python Pandas. The question is write a code to create a series object using a dictionary that stores the marks of the students. So dictionary is a sequence data type which contains key value pairs inside curly braces. So let's see in Jupyter Notebook how to create this question. We will write import pandas as PD, and now I will be taking one identifier for series object, marks equal to PD dot series, where PD is the alias name, and you have to write series function like this. Inside the round brackets, you have to give curly braces, then you have to store the marks of the student. So suppose I am taking the name of the student as Ram. And the marks is 87. Then I will take Anu and marks will be 77, and then Shan marks will be 85. So I will print the and I will close the curly brace of the dictionary, and now I will be printing the marks. So here Ram, Anu, Shyam are the keys, and 87, 77, 85 are the values, and this is the dictionary which is storing the student name and marks. We have created a series object from it. So this carries out 2 marks in class 12 IP exams.